Hello everyone, my name is Ong Yi. Today I'm going to discuss about the enterprise architecture within the organization using the real world case and scenario. That's why I choose the enterprise architecture of Liverpool Drumore University. The Liverpool Drumore University was founded in 1925 and have grown to become one of the largest university in the UK. They received the British Quality Foundation UK Excellence Award in 2008, and which recognizes them for their excellence in planning and all areas of operation. Uh, mm, we should look at what they have done to ensure that their organization can continue to thrive and adapt to the ever-changing technology and environment using the enterprise architecture. One of the main goals of enterprise architecture is to build a robust and efficient system that is able to support uh, the future changes and new requirements. And uh, what that university has done is to implement the systems uh, development projects program STPP since 2003. This program for developing the enterprise architecture helped to improve the IT infrastructure as well as its processes across the whole organization throughout the use of the e-business suite approach. Now I'm going to discuss about some of the key elements of enterprise architecture within that organization. The first one that I want to highlight is the clear vision of the enterprise architecture. They have set the long-term version for the enterprise architecture, which is a clear articulation of the relationship between business processes, data and information systems, and technology that will enable to maximize the effective deployment of IT to support the operations and management to achieve the strategic objectives. Second key element is the manage complexity with the blueprints. The enterprise architecture blueprint will provide the guidance and support to the organization to ensure to achieve the goals and the visions. They are using the blueprints in the enterprise architecture, which is based on the agri architecture that minimizes the data replication and interface requirements. Thus, providing the integration necessary uh, for management by process and fact. Another key element is the architecture governance. As stated in the strategic plan of Liverpool Moores University, the overall focus for the architecture governance is to ensuring the major projects are managed as part of the coordinated program rather than as a freestanding actions. Another key element is tools and techniques in the enterprise architecture. Identification and the deployment of an appropriate modeling tool is critical to the success of an EA initiative. They use the Microsoft Visual for process modeling. They have invested in the Visual Base, uh, some other software in the process as a process modeling tool to provide to provide more standardized and integrated approach. Now I'm going to describe which aspects of EA could be improved or require further more improvement and attention. The one aspect that require attention is the fact that the data is now centralized, and any system failure will create an impact across the whole organization from the university stuff to the students. Next aspect is for addressing the functionality overlap in the system, because they are creating based on the requirements of the different departments from this different aspects. So these kinds of aspects must be taken care to improve the EA architecture. Uh, the key objective of this EA project was to evaluate with the TOGAF as an approach to EA. In fact, TOGAF is extremely large and very complicated, but it is very comprehensive framework, but it is very complicated and very large for that university. So they felt that it doesn't give them so much idea of what they are doing and what the EA might look like. That means TOGAF is not useful enough to understand EA within the organization. Uh, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.